Tomorrow morning when I come on, I'll take the Murphys and Cumberland Farms. I'll pull the video from them.
Yeah, and we'll just log that as evidence.
Yep.
Yeah. You probably got them all there. So we're on the seatbelt.
He said he was, and then you get him with the DUI now too with the refusal.
It's great. It's like, well, it's just with eyes.
You got a good one on that? There, coming across the chest.
Might have to pull it down more then.
Yeah, and then grab it from the other side too.
I got
pull
one
down more. Can you pull down more on the chest?
Yeah, try to pull down more. Someone cleaned it up.
And then you can hit him with the DUI now too.
Pull that. Just a simple style.
Yep.
Alright, so you have no explanation how you have a seatbelt mark from a driver's side.
I do not. No.
Okay.
No. Other than if I can get thrown around, no.
Go to Cumberland in the morning. When you pull the videos, we'll show you getting in the car. Be honest, now's your chance.
They're just checking seatbelts right now.
That's fine. I don't know if I was in a seatbelt on passenger side or not, so.
Okay, so you have no explanation for how you have a driver's seatbelt mark.
No, I don't.
Okay.
Are you willing to give us a sworn written statement about everything?
No, I will not. Thank you.
Would you like to submit to standardized field sobriety tests?
Not this time, no.
You don't want to do standardized field sobriety tests?
Thank you. No.
Okay.
I wasn't driving, so no.
Okay. Stand by.